Hello everyone and welcome to the Tuxland. The moment you have stopped by to listen to this video, that itself is a reflection of your thought to break the cliche. In the modern day and age where every day there are tons of qualified, not so qualified, half-cooked companies popping up in the training space, and so as Tuxians, we wanted to be very sure as to why we want to step into the training space. We specialize in understanding what IT means, what is its role in the world business, and what is expected of an employee in IT organizations. We are passionate about analyzing what are the strengths and areas of improvements of the trainee. We are progressing in IT consulting and services and are spreading our wings into multiple niche technologies. However, we gathered that there is a huge gap between education and employment. To address it, we have dived deep into market survey, had intense discussions with C-level people and RPCs of IT domain to understand where the gap is. Majority of the graduates or experienced employees are having a tough time to handle IT challenges as the build-up education to employment is not in sync with the mechanics of the world business. This could be in terms of business-oriented thinking, action-oriented tasks, and vision-oriented planning, and knowledge in business domains, IT business partnership, awareness of all departments before they take up or end up in a specific profile. These reasons are the big roadblocks for the talent to stay as just potential but not ending up on the right side. TEDx, after years of analysis, preparation and clarity, has decided to branch into training as well. We will address the issues of the cited reasons by coming up with a strategy to blend different facets of what is required. What is that? We will be providing the best of training from the best in the industry in the technology you opt for. Well, what is new in that? Maybe not. We will introduce the market analysts to give you an insight into what IT is all about, what business is, and how they come together to achieve the consumer needs. Well, maybe, but still anything more could be your question. Why not? Once the trainee goes through a few classes of the curriculum, TEDx will provide a comprehensive guest lecture from infrastructure practice head. This will be a reflection of how IT organization is set up from infrastructure standpoint, which includes different teams, their roles, responsibilities, and how they come together to set the infrastructure up and going without any glitches which might affect the business. I know it sounds interesting, but anything more? Well, why not? As the trainee continues with further classes, TEDx will provide a comprehensive outlook on different functions of IT processes and policies, which are essential for the reputation, to avoid compliance-related issues, to forecast risks, and to come up with possible contingencies. This will be given by industry expert in business analysis, development, change and release management processes in IT and ITES domains. At this point, you might be thinking this is good enough. However, let us further say that after few more classes for the trainee, TEDx will provide an insight into quality assurance suite and its significance irrespective of any domain. This will give you ability to comprehend how a technology or a service cycle goes through. Hope at this point you are raring to go, but before you kick off, please also note that TEDx experts will be building on IT interviews, requirements and expectations points as we progress in the classes. The only question you can have is, how soon I can get the traction? Well, on the same note, TEDx is confident that you will be in a position to decide which domain and company you want to work for. Remember, TEDx never had anyone to look up to in training. We never compete, we just lead the way. Join us on the mission to bring change in the training arena. Empower yourself, be an asset to the organization, promote productivity in whatever technology you choose, and discard doubt, insecurity, and fear. Breaking the cliche is our niche. Come, break the delay and join us to transform and achieve excellence.